Amidst the surging tides of the Yellow Sea along Jiaozhou Bay, a 50,000 square meter modern manufacturing hub in Qingdao West Coast new area is injecting core strength into global diesel engine assembly with dynamic momentum. This is Qingdao Haizhiguan Automotive Components Company Limited. Since its establishment in 1994, Haizhiguan has consistently focused on precision manufacturing of core automotive power components. Thousands of diesel engine flywheels, flywheel assemblies, and hundreds of series of construction machinery castings are being exported worldwide from this facility. With an annual production capacity of 1 million sets, we strive to deliver industry-leading quality. Intelligent processing lines, automated casting lines with annual output of 10,000 tons, international-grade physical-chemical laboratories, and advanced inspection equipment form a robust quality shield. Since 2021, 5 automated robotic production lines have comprehensively upgraded manufacturing systems, while ERP and MES systems integrate full process digital management, with Smart Warehouse WMS significantly boosting efficiency. Haizhiguan has now entered the fast lane of Industry 4.0. 30% of products are exported overseas, while 70% serve leading domestic OEMs. From Weichai and Yangchai to Perfection, AGCO and Doosan, Haizhiguan earns global trust through precision manufacturing. In 2025, our production base in Cambodia will begin operations, opening a new chapter in our global strategy. Certified under IATF 16949, ISO 14001, recognized as National High-Tech Enterprise and specialized, refined, unique, and innovative little giant, each certification is a mark of responsibility. With 59 national intellectual property rights and 6 invention patents, we win respect through innovation and maintain Qingdao Reliable and Creditworthy Enterprise title for 3 decades with integrity. Talent is the most precious asset of Haizhiguan. We have jointly established the Flywheel Assembly Research Institute with Qingdao University of Technology and China University of Petroleum. In 2025, Haizhiguan completed its intelligent building with an investment of 40 million yuan, integrating office, R&D, apartments, dining, and entertainment venues. Here, every striver can find a sense of belonging, because we firmly believe only by putting people first can we earn global acclaim. From the Yellow Sea coast to Cambodia's shores, from precision casting to intelligent manufacturing, Haizhiguan forges the momentum of the era with the heart of a master craftsman and charts a new chapter of development with a global vision. To become China's most trusted diesel engine flywheel assembly production service provider, this remains our eternal compass. Earn worldwide acclaim and drive the future.